Mamas, it's here. It's Vlogmas. I've never done Vlogmas yet. This is my first time ever, and I'm so excited. So Vlogmas, if you don't know what it is, it's when you vlog every single day from the December 1st to December 25th for Vlogmas. And I am so excited because I've never done it, but I've always seen other people do it. So for me this year, I decided my Vlogmas is actually going to be about promoting other women's businesses. I'm so excited. So I've lined up, I've got my first 5 lined up. And so I'm going to promote someone else's business for the first 25 days of December. I'm going to shout them out, explain to you what they're doing, what their product is, what they're promoting, and I'm so excited. These women have amazing products, amazing things to offer, amazing services to offer. So I'm so excited to get you started. And I have one for today, for the first day of Vlogmas. So let's get right to it. Guys, I had to throw on my favorite holiday sweater. If you are a Friends fan, you know exactly what episode this is. This is Chandler, Monica, and Ross, and it's one of the it's one of the Christmas episodes, and it's just absolutely hilarious. I love Friends, my absolute all-time favorite show, so I had to have a Christmas. It's not really a sweater, it's more of a sweatshirt, but I had to have it. And so today is my first day of Vlogmas. So Vlogmas is what they call like the big event on YouTube every year. Vlogmas means that you're vlogging, and vlogging is a video log or a video blog of your life. So not only will I be promoting other women's businesses and talking about their products, but I will also be vlogging the holiday things that I will be doing with my family as well. Like I said, I'm choosing 25 different women to promote their businesses this Christmas because it's my way of giving back. This is my gift, is to help them share all the wonderful things that they have to offer in this world. And so I'm super excited today to broadcast my friend Tia. She's an internationally certified teacher. She has been working with children from ages 2 to 9 for the past 10 years. So she has so much experience. She is really focused on helping parents with the behavior of their children and how to manage it and make it so you're not screaming and yelling at your children all day. She's amazing. She has fantastic ideas. She has a lovely little training and webinar that you can go to. But what I really wanted to focus on today, she made an entire Christmas calendar of activities that you could do with your children this year. It is fantastic. There is over 70 pages of activities in this package. There's 4 different customizable Christmas activity calendars to choose from. There's a Christmas calendar template, and there's 28 Christmas activities to cut and paste into the calendar in order to really customize the activities for you and your family. Like, what? That is amazing. I'm so excited. So really what I wanted to promote for her is this Christmas calendar because it's absolutely fantastic. It's very affordable. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link to this calendar down below. And I'm also going to put the link to her website in my description box as well, because I really want you to be able to check it out. If you struggle at all with your children's behavior, whether it be throwing temper tantrums or, just they don't want to do the chores, my friend Tia has some great ideas. She's got a lot of experience. She's a teacher. She's got it under wraps. It's awesome. Amazing thing about Tia is that she's one of my online friends that I have met. So if you've been following me at all, I am online and I am helping business women, get out there and do their thing and feel the fear and promote themselves. And so Tia is someone that I actually met in a course that I took, and it's just amazing. Like, this is one of the wonderful benefits of having a business online, is that you get to meet people from all over the place, and someone that I never would have met otherwise except for being online and having a common friend. So it's just absolutely fantastic. You can find her Countdown to Christmas 2020 calendar in the description box below. I'm so super excited for you. I really hope that you enjoy it, and I hope you pop over to her website. It's awesome. You're going to find some great resources there, and I really look forward to hearing all the success that you have had looking at my friend Tia's stuff. And also, I'm still looking for a few other women to fill some spots for December. If you're looking for your business to be promoted on this YouTube channel, put in the comments below, message me, or just put me, and then I'll reach out to you and I can make an arrangement to promote your business on this page. I'm really looking forward to helping as many women as I can this holiday season, and I'm really looking forward to spreading all the joy and all the love that we possibly can, especially as 2020 closes out through the year. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video today. Please give this video a like, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button down below. I would love for you to stick around and watch my journey and help you in your business as we both move forward together. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. I'll see you tomorrow in the next Vlogmas video.